Very good morning, children. See, already we have started these materials from a eighth lesson. In part 1, we have completed how the clay is formed. And in the part 2, we have completed what are the uses of clay. So, how to make the, what we are making the clay and what is the procedure we have learnt. Now, in part 3, we are going to learn about stones. See, from the earth many materials we are getting. Yes, now out of those the important three materials are clay, stone and metals. Yes, no, clay, stone and metals. These three are very important. Clay, without clay we can't make some things also. Yes, no, the earth won't be at all. And stones, by using stone, very number of about stones today we learn. Okay, next metals. So if there is no metal, gold is also comes under a metal. There is no ornaments. And see, bangles, there is no bangles means there is no ornaments. And you can see chains and all. These are also made with the metals. So we can't get these also. Even gates and all. And even utensils. These also made with the metals only. So already we have discussed completely about the clay. Now in this session we are going to discuss about the stones. So stones. See children, already we have discussed that first there was a mountains and rocks, the big rocks. So due to the natural calamities, these stones, these rocks broken and becomes a stone. Next still when these stones becomes a fine powdery, then we call it as a clay. So you can see the stones, many things we are preparing by using the stones. We have discussed that the potter man, he used to make the pots. So actually the first we have used that before the clay itself we have used the stones only starting. By using the stones many things we made, like see, now we have arrows and all. Now we have a chalk or else scissors and big weapons we have with the metals, which are made with metals we have. But in earlier time there is no these metal tools. Yes, no. And for a chalking purpose there is no these metal tools ma. We have one, first they used to use, earlier man he used to use the stones only. Even you knows that the heat is produced by using stones only na. Even at the time to fight with the some animals like a tiger and all, they used to use the weapons, stone weapons only, which are used with the weapons which are used with the stones only. So the stone they used to take and they used to sharpen at the ends. They used to sharpen. You can see in your textbook. See here, one of the tool you can see here. See how sharpened here. You can see here how the stone is sharpened here. So when any animal is targeting the person, then he can able to fight with the target by using these tools. And not only these weapons not only these weapons, you can see still now also we are using some of the stones, some of the tools we are using, like see for now we got mixies and all. But even though we got mixes and also still many of the parents are like to use some handmade tools. Yes or no? In Telugu we call sanikalu and rubrolu. So that you can know, so now grinder. Actually instead of that rubrolu now we are using that grinder. Instead of sanikalu we are using that mixing. So but even though we are become the new things we got also, we won't forget our before things as no old things, because those are a very healthy product and tasty also we used to get. So still we are using now those things. That's it. So these tools also we are made with the stones only. So actually before pots only, before making the pots with the clay only, they have used the things metal, they have used the things stones. That's what that time we call as a, that during the time we call as a stone age. What we call the time stone age, because at that time everything they used to do, they used to do the things with the stones only. That's what we call the time as a stone age. What we call the time stone age. So how we are getting these stones and all? They used to take from the, they used to dig out from the earth. How they are getting these stones? They are digging out from the earth. So by using the holes, by doing the tunnels, they are taking the stones from the earth. They are just extracting the stones from the earth. That holes and tunnels is nothing but we call mines. Have you listened the word mines? Say mines. M-I-N-E-S. Mines. So to take out the holes and tunnels, the holes and tunnels, the holes and tunnels are used or done to extract the stones from the earth. To extract the stones from the earth. That holes and tunnels is nothing but we call mines. What we call that mines. And that process is nothing but we call mining. Not only, actually here I have written stones, not only stones from the earth, many materials we are getting, either these metals or coal or petroleum, gas. So to extract those things also we are making the holes, and we are sending like a drilling machine. How it is used to make a hole? Like that, by using the drilling machine we are making the hole at the on the earth, no? And we are for getting the coal, there is a big mines. Yes, like a caves. They used to make a big mines in the form of like a caves. So those are nothing but we call that holes and tunnels is nothing but we call mines. And that process is nothing but we call mining. So you can find those coal extracting thing you can find there in Singareni. Have you listened that word in Singareni? You can there at the Singareni place you can find more coal. There more coal tunnels, means more tunnels used to be there. Very low, nearly they used to go 30 feet, 30 or 50 feet they used to go under the ground to get the coal, to extract the coal. And when they were going the inside, it is very dangerous, it is very risk job. So when we are going inside the pressure will be increases. Due to the pressure, the temperature also will be increases. So that pressure and temperature is increases. So when heat is increased, temperature increases means the heat will be produced. When heat is increases, if the coal is catches that heat, then immediately it will be catches the fire. So then once it catches, remaining around that area, coal used to be present, the total mine will be catches the fire. Whoever persons will be working there, they will be get their life. Full life is in risk only. And many I have listened that in news channels also, you also may have listened in this coal mine. So these 200 people are died, or else 50 people are died, or else 70 people are died. Why? Because it is a risky job. Because they have to make a tunnel. They have to dig inside the earth. When they were going inside the earth, the heat will be presented and they can't. When heat is presented, once if the heat, that heat is captured by that mine, captured by that coal, then immediately it will catches the fire. Then the total will be smashed. Understood, ma'am? So it is a very risky job. So here that holes and tunnels is nothing but we called mines, and that process is nothing but we call mining. This process is called mining. Understood, man? So many things we are making, like nowadays also we are using those things. Understood? So these are nothing but that type of process is nothing but we call mining. And what are the uses of these stones? What are the uses of these stones? Uses of stones. See, still where we are using, tell me, without stone, can we have the floor, Ray? Can we have the floor, ma? Not at all. Even see, now what you are having the, like a marble, granite, these are all we are getting from the, these are all stones only. Marble, granite, limestone, sandstone, these are the types of rocks. You have learned these in 4th class, I think so. So what is that, like limestone, sandstone. So forts, red forts we are having, that is made with sandstone. And Agra fort, next Taj Mahal, that is made with the marble. Limestone we are, by using the limestone we are making the lime we are making. So these are all and next churches, buildings, mosques. Mosque means, you know, means the where the Muslims, Makkah, how for the Muslims Makkah, like that for Christians mosques and buildings and forts. These are all made with what, ma? Stones only, like granite, like limestone, sandstone, slate. Even the slate you have listened, we are at the time of LKG, UKG, you have used the slate, no? That is also one type of a stone only. So if there is no stone, can we make the buildings? Can we write on the, even this is also comes under slate only. Can we have the board if there is no stone? Understood, eh? So we can make by using these stones. What we can make, ma? What are the stones? What are the different types of stones? Marble, granite, slate, limestone, and still many we are having, but only I am saying that important types of stones only. Limestone and sandstone and slate. These are all for what purpose we are using? For making the buildings. To make buildings. Church and mosques and forts, temples, and like the Agra forts, Taj Mahal. So these are also, and slate what we are using, and boards. These are all made with the stones. So if there is no stones, we can't get these all. Understood, man? Not only this used, still by using the stones only we are making the cement also for road. How we are getting that? The stone. Have you seen that when they are just laying the roads, there will be a small tiny chips, stone chips. Did you find, ma? So after completion of road, the chips they used to spread over the road, and with the road roller they used to the road roller used to be move above the road to make it the tighten. Yes, no? So what are the chips? Those are stone chips. Those are also stones only, but they made it as a small chips. In the form of chips they have made it. So for laying the roads we are using the stone chips, and for preparing the cement also. See the stone, and by mixing the stone and sand we used to get the, see these stone chips. By mixing the stone chips and cement we used to get the concrete, ma. You have listened the concrete, Ray? Yeah, how the concrete we are getting? These stone chips, and you can see one instrument used to be there, mission type. In the when they are laying the road, definitely the mission used to be there. In that sand they used to keep, and sorry, cement they used to keep, and chips they used to keep. Did you find that? So by mixing those two, we will get the concrete. That concrete we are using for laying the roads. So prepare concrete. To prepare like paste, it is used to be. The concrete used to be looks like a pasty. How the pasty concrete we are getting? By mixing the sand chips and cement. So to prepare the concrete. And still where we are using, you can see these are made with the metals, but you can see in some things like marble, like this one jewelry for a diamond, emerald, and next still stones we are having the sapphire. So these are all also comes under the stones only. The diamond is also comes under a stone, and sapphire is also comes under a stone, and emerald is also comes under a stone, and ruby. You may have listened this ruby house advertisement we used to get, and ruby is also comes under a stones. But these stones are very valuable. You can see now in this time even some people in the fields, they are just trying to find those stones, because those are very costly and precious. That's what we called those stones, we called as a precious stones. What we call it, precious stones, and another name we can call as a gems. So stones like diamond, ruby, emerald, and sapphire are precious. These called as a, these are very precious, and that's what we call as a precious stones, or else gems. Precious stones or gems we used to call. And next, still not only these, still we are having some other, not only these, still we are having some other metals like topaz and garnet. Topaz and garnet. So compared to these diamond, ruby, emerald, these topaz and garnet are the less cost compared to these, but these are also heavier cost, but compared to these it was less cost. So that we called as a semi-precious. Semi-precious stones. What we call those now? We call those as semi-precious stones. These we are using for a for a jewelry purpose, and you can see this diamond we are using as a tool also. To prepare the tool we are using this diamond. Glass cutting is not possible with a knife or anything. The glass, to cut the glass, there was a special device that is made by using this diamond only. And not only these still stone items, we are having that graphite, coal, so still we are having stones like graphite, coal, and chalk, and talc. So graphite, you know that graphite for what purpose we are using? For in pencil. Pencil, it is a graphite or not? So the graphite is using in the for the lid of a pencil, and also we are using cells. You know, so cells is not this cells, right? For a TV remote, or else for the clock we are using the cells na batteries. In that battery, if you open that battery, inside there was a black color rod used to be there, carbon rod. That is actually graphite. So that carbon rod is made with the graphite only. In the cells, actually that is not called as battery, no, cells. So cells, and next lid of the pencil. And coal, you know that for what as in to produce the electricity, to generate the electricity and to produce the heat. To produce heat and generate electricity and generate electricity and chalk. Chalk, you know, see now I am using the chalk. This is also a type of stone only. Understand? If this is chalk is not there, means we can't able to write. Even chalk. Next is this board. This board is made with the slate. Yes, no. So these are all we are getting from the stones only. And talc. You may have listened the word talc. And there was an advertisement also, talcum powder. So how they are getting the talcum powder? From the stone. The name is talc. Understood? From that stone they are making this powder. So that they have given a name for that powder as a talcum powder. So these many uses we are having about the stones. So if you just imagine that if there was no stones on the earth, what will be happen? Everything will be stopped. Means the tools won't be, tools won't be, and this jewelry won't be, and this slate for writing. So it is not at all possible, and floors won't be, and there was no buildings, and there was no roads. So these are possible due to the stones only. So stones are also very important in our life. Understood, ma? Still we are having next that about the metals. We will discuss about the metals in the next section. Thank you.